How to stop seeing suggested context when sharing photos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, simply scroll down and go to Bluetooth and device connection. Here you'll find Quick Share. It will be according to your phone. It may be Nearby Share as well. In my case, it's Quick Share, so I'm going to click on Quick Share. Here, click on Who Can Share With You. After you click on Who Can Share With You, in here you'll find Visible to Nearby Devices. Turn it on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, if you're having issue in any of the app, suppose Gallery, hold on to the Gallery app in your home screen. Then go to App Info. Here, click on Storage and Cache and clear cache. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to stop seeing suggested context when sharing photos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.